Hello guys, if you're new to Temu, you've probably seen their insanely low prices and wondered, is this even legit? So, let's break down exactly what Temu is and how it works in 2025. So, Temu is a budget-friendly online marketplace where you can buy clothes, gadgets, home goods, and more directly from sellers. Often based in China, think of it as a cheaper, fast shipping version of AliExpress with more app-based rewards. Now, Temu cuts out middlemen by connecting you straight to manufacturers. They focus on bulk shipping and aggressive discounts, which is why items can cost a fraction of what you would pay elsewhere. However, quality can vary, so always check reviews. Now, you simply add items to your cart, apply promo codes like ECP 856709 and check out through the app or website. Shipping is usually free, but delivery can take 7 to 15 days since many products come from overseas warehouses. Now, Temu heavily rewards active users, so you can collect Temu coins, play games like Fishland, spin wheels, and grab flash deals to earn coupons and free gifts. Daily check-ins and app engagement can often unlock hidden discounts. Now, the question is Temu safe? So, Temu is legit and generally safe to use in 2025, but be cautious with product quality and always read seller ratings. Their buyer protection policy covers missing or damaged items, but refunds can sometimes be slow. So final verdict, Temu is a low-cost shopping platform with big rewards for active users. It's great for cheap finds if you're willing to wait for shipping and check product reviews carefully. The more you use the app, the better the deals get. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.